From the day we opened our hotel doors, we've always pushed to do a little more. We built the #1 water park in the region, opened restaurants with some of the world's most renowned chefs. We even designed a suite just for our Facebook fans and created moments that have truly taken people a world away from their everyday. We've done some pretty extraordinary things, and thanks to you, we're not stopping there. Because now, in our 10th year, we have a whole bucket list of things planned to bring you even more amazing experiences. Some never seen before, exciting, entertaining, and unforgettable experiences. And we can't wait until you tick these off your bucket list. Stay tuned for what's to come.